Event 1 of the Fittest Roofer Challenge is maximum effort one-handed overhead bundle hold. Your score is the time you are able to hold the bundle over the top of your head. Once you get the bundle under your head and or let it touch your body anywhere other than the palm of the holding hand, your event is over. Your score is your time. Good luck.
Judges! Judges! Anyone who is judging, come to me now. Anyone who is judging, not competing, judging, come to me. So that we are clear, everybody. So there is going to be a clock on there. You are watching your guy. He only cannot touch his head with the bundle or with the other hand. That's actually, he cannot, it's impossible to hold it here. So once he just loses it, he loses it. When he loses it and it goes to the ground or touches his head, you check. He doesn't actually need your timer because the time is going to be there. You just need to remember what's his name and what's his time, and we need to write it down. So you're responsible for your guy and for his time. That's all.
Time will be up.
Time is there. Yeah, so you don't really need your. You can use it. You can use it. You will have it on twice, but there is going to be a time so that you see. And it's
we're only referring that. Don't use it on your phone. This is the time.
And one more thing, we're gonna tell them to get ready. They put the bundles on their shoulders, get ready, find the balance, and then when everybody found the balance, they have like 10 seconds from the get ready to start. When we say 3, 2, 1, go, they cannot touch it with the other hand anymore. Okay? Because it takes time to get from the ground to the starting. We will do the countdown 10 seconds, and it's up to them. In those 10 seconds, they have to get it overhead. And when the 10 seconds are done, they cannot touch it anymore with the other hand. If it falls right away, they are done. Okay? So you know what?
Right. So if you don't even make it past the 10 seconds, you get a 0.
It starts in the 10 seconds. At the 10 seconds, they cannot touch it with the other hand anymore.
It starts when everybody's here.
Here when he says go.
Okay. So it's okay if you're not fully lost.
So competitors, come to me. Competitors. Come. Not the judges, the competitors. Guys, we will start the timer. You will have 10 seconds to get it comfortably in the best position that you want to get it overhead. It's up to you. When the 10 seconds are over, the timer is going to start and you cannot touch it with the other hand anymore. Okay? So when I say 3, 2, 1, 10 seconds, it's going to go down 10 seconds. You're going to see it, we're going to tell you. And then I say 3, 2, 1, and the timer will go on and you cannot touch it anymore. You are already ready and just holding it. The last one standing wins, but we will have your standings. So if somebody is 10th and 9th and 8th, it's important, but you will have your own judge who will tell you your time and everything. Okay? Any questions?
So if you start at second 5 and don't touch it again,
you have 10 seconds to get it overhead. It's up to you if you start at second 0 or 10. If you start at second 11, you are out.
It's really up to you.
Okay? You have 10 seconds to get it in the right position. Okay?
My question is, once it's up, you can still adjust as long as it doesn't break your head, right?
You can adjust it with that one hand. You just cannot use the other. You can do whatever you want. You can put it down the back. You just cannot actually. Yeah, you cannot support this arm. That's true. You cannot do anything from here.
The tip is just fixate your hand and have this elbow straight.
Okay.
That's the
Anybody?
best tip.
Ready? Judges, get to your competitors.
You ready, Clayton? What do you got to say?
We need 12 minutes. Jason, can you judge it?
You don't have a judge?
What?
There's one.
Nice bearded.
Jason, you judging?
I need a judge. Anybody volunteer to judge? Jake and Chris, how about you judge someone? And can you guys judge?
Okay. So judges, like, make sure you know the name and you will have the final time. Okay?
So Jason, you have to who does not have a judge?
Yeah.
Jake. It's
It's pretty much par for the course. I get it. Russell being my judge.
all day, every day, brother.
Yeah. We're gonna be the fairy tale.
I just realized I'm committing the biggest internet sin by taking video vertically. Jeez, I'm that guy.
Does it make me look thinner?
No.
It's not going to.
Judges, what you gonna do? This is the timer. You look at the timer, you remember the time where your competitor drops the bundle, you come to Elizabeth with the time and say, my competitor, his name, dropped the bundle at 128, 142, wherever the time was, and we're gonna write it down. Got it?
Got it.
What's your name? Mike. Say it like you mean it.
Mike.
Santa, man.
Santa, bro. Santa.
Kidding?
I'll count down, guys. When I start counting, you can start putting it on your shoulder and overhead.
You got 6 people
When I
back
say
home rooting for
one,
you.
Let's go, guys.
The timer will start there. You cannot touch it with the other hand.
You want to do a little
anymore.
stanky leg for me or
Okay?
something?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go, Mike.
Come on, baby.
You got this, Clay.
Does it count?
Statue of Liberty over here, man.
You're killing it, man. 20 seconds.
Man, I'm just gonna do it just for me.
Awesome.
You got this, man.
You got this.
Mentality, baby. Stay strong.
30 seconds.
Good work, good work.
Killing it.
Doing really good. Everybody's shaking except you.
One guy's out.
Good.
38 seconds.
45.
You think you guys are tough, huh?
I'm doing it for me. I don't even care.
There we go. 51 seconds. 52. Killing it, bro.
You're tough?
One minute.
1 minute!
1 minute, man. Oh!
104. 104.
Focus on the prize.
Another one drops. Ah! Stay with it. You gotta breathe. Keep breathing. In and out. Yep. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. 129. Good job, Clay.
There's only 4 of you guys left.
Down to 4 competitors.
That bundle's so pissed and sweaty.
Let's go. Let's go. Right in here. You ain't done. Not even shaking, man. Not even shaking. You got a ways to go, buddy. Keep it going. You got this. You got this. Use the force. Dropping like flies, man.
Keep it up. Get out of your head, Jim.
Get out of your head. Don't stop breathing. Don't stop breathing. Don't stop breathing. Don't stop, dude. You're crushing it. Good job, Sean. Not even faltering. You got this. Let's go.
Come on. Yeah.
You guys are killing it.
You got it, bro. Hang it out.
1 more minute. You got it. Go. 3,000 guys. She's gonna rub that shoulder for 30 minutes. 225.
Hang in there.
Let's chill.
You're doing good. You're doing
It's all in your head. It's all mental now.
Breathe. Yep. It's nothing. Focus on your breathing. Keep it up. Keep it up. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Come on, bud. You got this, dude. Come on, bud.
Hang in there, Santa
You got it, right
Claus.
there. You're right in there, bro. You got it, bro. Breathe. 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 There you go. Breathe. Just breathe. You got it. Hang in there.
10 more seconds.
Hang in there, bro. You got it. Hang in there.
You got it.
Breathe. You got it. Right there. You got it. You got it. Go! Down to 2. Come on, bro. Yes! Yeah! Keep going! Yeah! Oh, baby, Sam! Woo!
You are a rock star.
You good?
This is awesome.
That was studly.
How was it?
Say something to the
Judges, please give Elizabeth their timing.
Judges, give the scores and names.
They're getting lunch.
Judges, we have to, even if you lost one, you still have
And a baby
3 or 4 more events to pick up. Everybody still has a chance.
Yeah, guys, 3 events to go. They're gonna be all different. The next one is at 4 o'clock. And we're again gonna have a little breathing before and a warm up at 4 outside here, okay? 4.
Which
Side?
How much does this weigh?
like 75 or so. I mean, you have this guy.
I was like 25 squares. Sides starting tight. I was thinking this, like, nah.
Make that shaky.
That's awesome. Nice job.
3 minutes is legit.
Nobody's gonna win it all. So people will take places up and down. It's all CrossFit style, overall fitness.
Wow. That was brutal.
It's a heavier shingle too. It's not some old seat.
I got that for 230.
Samuel, I'm missing Samuel.
How was that, man? 3rd place.
Hey, it's pretty good, man. I was looking for first, but pretty tough competition. These guys are great. They do shingles all day, man. So they probably do about 40 squares a day, man. You know, with them shoulders, it's pretty good, man.
2nd place. How's it feel?
It was hard, but I started nervous from the beginning, so it didn't help. I still got my 3 minutes.
Individual prizes for each event. Then
How's it feel to take number 1
Feels
in
good.
the 1st round?
Feels great.
Yeah, so they're like, Russ, you gonna do it? I'm like, 3 years ago I might have.
No. Dude, that's tough. That's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. Oh, yeah.
And the chant,
More mass means
fattest
more
roofer.
oxygen. You know, like,
Fittest.
Oh, yeah, that's
Fat.
crazy heavy.
sometimes them skinny guys,
Right.
90% of you watching our videos without subscription. I don't know what you're waiting for, but you don't want to miss our sick content for roofing industry. Give me one of those, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.